Simulation of a transit method for detection of exoplanets. Maria is a physics teacher in college. One day, while in class, a student asked her how do people find planets around distant stars. She named various methods for discovering planets, including transit method, which is the most effective one. She tried to demonstrate the transit method using the eclipse model, but students remain confused because of lack of visualization and hands-on experience. Here is our team. We have worked upon this issue. We formed a star planet system using open source VPython, Tracker, and Python softwares. To do this, we first simulated a simple one planet star system in VPython using object oriented programming and physics equations. This video file was fed to Tracker for generating the light curves and the data file in terms of time and flux. This file can be analyzed using the tracker itself, but in a limited manner as it is not possible to analyze noisy signals. Tracker uses RGB profile region to generate light curve and the respective data file in .csv format. This software can be used to visually note down all the observable parameters such as transit depth, transit duration, and the orbital period, and physically calculating radius of the exoplanet and the orbital radius. Here we only consider circular orbit for simplicity. We thought of combining this above softwares with Python to explain the discovery of a planet around a star, making sure students will have hands-on experience with actual Python modules which astronomers use to discover planets around stars. For this, we used the same data file generated by Tracker software after feeding the VPython video file. This approach gives students an idea that VPython is an actual planet system, Tracker is the sensing element, that is a satellite, and Python is a tool which can be used to analyze the light curve. We first plot the light curve with added noise, then retrained it with SciPy's median filter. Then we apply Box-Least square algorithm to pull out the dips in the light curve produced by the planet and measure the period of the orbit with the help of a periodogram. Further, we use compute.stats method to obtain observed depth, transit timings, and transit duration of the planet. Then we fit this model onto our light curve and show its reliability. Finally, using the input data of planet star system, we calculate planet radius, inclination of its orbit semi-major axis, and distance of the planet to the stars. Now students can do visualization and get hands-on experience. Thank you.